please?
Yes, I'm Adrian from RoboDojo. We're a community makerspace in southwest Sydney, currently located in Campbelltown. Best way to find us is probably on Facebook. If you just search for RoboDojo, you should be able to find us.
Great. And here at the Mini Maker Faire, you've got what looks like an automatic paint gun, a machine paint gun.
Yeah, basically what I've done is I've taken a off-the-shelf Nerf Vulcan cannon, which is your standard chain-fed 25 clip belt. But what I've done is modified it so that it's got an extended belt, and I've pretty much put an electronic base on it so that from the software you can manually either point and shoot it, or you can put it in automatic mode and let the camera decide who the best target is.
So I came by earlier and the camera was tracking me.
Yeah.
So the there's a camera here. I can see the camera in the front, and the gun will track you.
Yeah. That's not actually the camera. That one there. It's actually built into the base of the unit. It's a bit difficult to see, but it's just a standard Logitech webcam. That's running into the computer. It has an Arduino to control the servo position.
Yes.
And the firing mechanism. So.
So, how are you doing the face recognition to identify people?
It's not actually facial recognition, it's just movement. So it's differential analysis of the background, essentially. So I take a picture of the background, and then from that, anything that's different, provided there is significant motion and number of pixels kind of thing, it decides that's the target, and we'll start firing at them.
Terrific. And what was the inspiration to start you building this?
Not particularly anything, just a Maker Faire project, something to demonstrate. So a couple of weeks ago I was just thinking, what can I contribute to this year's Maker Faire? And came up with this. Started work on it on Monday, and we've got it here today. So for a version 1, it's working pretty well. There's a few minor modifications I'll make, but overall pretty happy with it.
And so is it set up to shoot Nerf or paintball?
No, Nerf gun. So the standard Nerf darts that you have, foam darts, which is the safest option for here in public space. But at the moment I've got it set for manual control, so you can steer it around and acquire targets. Normally it has an elevation control as well. I've disabled that temporarily due to a problem we were having earlier with it. And basically, once I've got a target, in manual mode especially, I can fire at any time. I don't know if you want to film that. That could be fun.
Depends on your targets.
But other than that, you can put it back into automatic mode. I usually just disable the weapon at the time because I haven't quite calibrated it fully yet, so the target kind of is selected semi at random at the moment.
Sure.
But it seems to work pretty well in that mode.
That's very interesting. And how long did it take to build?
So far we've probably taken 3 nights and a bit more design time. So it has certainly been a bit of a busy time for us, kind of getting it up and running in time for the Maker Faire. Yeah.
Awesome.
But having access to a makerspace is the number one reason I was able to do it. Essentially, the parts are CNC routers. So without that equipment, would have had a much less impressive display.
And if people wanted to contact RoboDojo, the hackerspace, so how does it work? Do you join up with a monthly fee, or how does it work?
Not at this stage. We're not that organised. We're getting there. But at this stage, it's pretty much just have a look on Facebook, see if we're open, or contact us on our Google Groups page, but mostly on the Facebook page. Monday nights and most Saturdays are when we're open, and at this stage, it's just drop on by and have a chat with us.
Great. Well, Adrian, thank you very much.
Not a problem. Thank you. I'm just going to 3D printer. It's up a little bit. It did fall on me during that last little few minutes.
It's a printer?
Yeah. Right, yeah. Okay, what am I in?
All little plastic blobs and bits and pieces here, I think that's printed in the past. Oh, great.
Manual, weapon, hot, what am I shooting at? You?
Volunteer.
If you will, can you just wear these safety goggles, please? That's actually even though they're foam, we like safety first.
Sounds good.
So just step a little bit to the left. He will.
With
it does
Nerf.
not hurt. They have foam darts. Is that all right? May I? Is that all right? I will wait for permission first.
I think she wants to get another witness, someone else to come and look.
So you've got your Z direction, which is vertical.
Yeah, she's getting
That's
them
all
all.
right.
And Y is backwards and
I've got the safety goggles on him, so that's the main thing. Yeah, I'll only do a couple of darts, so I won't fight too much. So actually, that's jam.
Oh no!
So there we go.
How's that?
It does work pretty well. Oh, they want to be shot too? Okay. We'll line them up.
Light them up.
What's that? Automatic's a bit too risky at the moment. It's kind of select the wrong target sometimes.
Yes.
So you got the goggles on. If you can just step that way a little bit. I'm just trying to keep it away from the majority of people.
Everyone has these.
And unfortunately, I can't aim it up or down. So you may want to step back a little bit further towards the white wall, pretty much. A few more steps back. That should give the best chance of not hitting you directly in the face.
Oh, careful!
Sorry, I had to shoot Dave quickly. They ready? So you can see there's some go further than others. I'm still working on that. Yeah.
Yes.
It's because there's a bullet.
Yeah,
Hold on.